Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to recover deleted Telegram chats, messages, pictures and videos. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to recover deleted Telegram pictures and videos, there's almost always a file on your device that saves pictures and videos from your Telegram that you've shared across the platform. So if you go ahead to your system's file manager and on the search icon, if you type Telegram, you'll be able to see that there's a separate folder for Telegram video and Telegram images. So if you shared any kind of pictures and videos across this platform, these pictures and videos will appear under these folders. However, if you want to recover Telegram chats, then you're going to have to contact Telegram support. For that, open your preferred browser. I'm going to go ahead and open Google Chrome, and on the search bar, simply type Telegram support. After doing so, tap on the first link that appears. Under this link, simply go ahead and describe your problem as to how you want to recover your messages and your videos and pictures shared across through Telegram application. After that, enter the email and phone number with which you've registered your Telegram account. After that, simply tap on submit and Telegram will get back to you within a certain amount of time and it should restore your deleted Telegram chats and messages. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.